Atin, sir. Hello, hello? Looking for wanted. Do you have any description, sir? Hello, hello? Do you have any description? Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Hello, do you hear me? Hello? Hello, 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 hello? Hello, do you hear me? Hey, what the fuck, bro?
Boss, kaya ko
Ah,
magbigay ng
ano yan?
parang bahala.
Pinakausap kayo na maayos, tas mangkakap kayo. Ano yan? NRP yan eh.
10 libo na boss.
Pangit na RP nyo doon. Ayusin nyo yan. Pinakausap kayo. Auto-search kayo masyado. Wala nga kayong identity.
May
Sabi nyo ng prospective yan. Pag hanapin wanted yan. Description ng wanted.
confirm
Yung ganyan kayo, mangkakap kayo. Pinakausap ko kayo eh.
saka ka na mag-change ng requirement.
Ano suspect? Anak, wala akong kaso eh. Mas maging suspect pa ako. Ano yun? Wala akong kaso na suspect.
Papalimit mo muna siya.
May gun license ako. Hello? Hello?
Ano ko muna to?
Ano ba to?
Wala muna ang access yan.
Ano na, wala akong kaso. May gun license ako, tas ulihin mo. Tapos, sabihin nyo, naghahanap kayo ng wanted. Eh, wala nga dito eh. Wala sa tinawang. Bakit ang RP nyo yan? Mag-aral kayo ng RP. Ano gago awit? Kaya, hindi nga nakakausap maayos eh. Ayusin nyo RP nyo pre. NRP yan, power gaming kayo eh. Naghahanap kayo ng wanted. Kaya, wala kayong description. Baduy ng RP nyo. Hulihin nyo ako, wala akong kaso. Wala akong star oh. May gun license ako, hulihin nyo ako.
Ganyan
Diba?
din ginagawa sa akin ano Ace eh.
Ano yan yan? Ayusin nyo RP nyo.
Tanong.
Ano wala akong kaso? Naghahanap ko na ako. Wala akong kaso. Wala akong kaso. Ano yan, Chick? Ano kasi yan? Hindi pa yan yung sarili nyo. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Hasib, do you hear me, sir? Sir, wait, sir. Hasib, Hasib, help. Ito ba jeep niya yan? Ano ba to? Sir Hasib, help. Sir Hasib, do you hear me? Hello, sir? Hello, hello, Sir Hasib. Hello, do you hear me, sir? Sir, why this FBI arrest me without any reason? They said they're looking for wanted, and then I'm talking to this guy King, and then he didn't answer me, and then cuffed me, and then after that they said I'm the wanted even I don't have any star, and I have a gun license. What is that, sir? Yeah, displaying, sir. I already hide my gun after you told me, and also I have a gun license. And then you said that's why you came there because you are looking for the suspect for wanted. Hello? Yes sir, I have sir. I have, sir. Because that was a power tripping, sir. I know how to do RP. I already accompany. I am talking to you, and then you didn't answer me. You just keep pushing.